our diet. Okay, we have learned about our diet. What does our diet include? What have we seen? What does our diet include? Our diet include all the necessary food. Okay, and why it is important for us to have proper diet? Yes, healthy food, very good. Proper food, okay. Many types of food, very good. So there are different types of dishes. There are variety in the food, fruits, vegetables. Yes, which is very important for us to consume, and we should all have all that food items. So today we will learn about something new. Before we start with the new topic, who will tell me that in this lockdown period, how many of you have helped your mama in the kitchen? मम्मा को किचन में किसने किसने हेल्प किया था? Raise your hand. Yes, raise your hand. Those who have helped mama. Okay. So you have seen your kitchen. Everyone is seeing the kitchen every day. Yes. What do you see in the kitchen? What do you see in the kitchen when you go in the kitchen, when you enter in the kitchen? Yes, many different type of food items are there. Yes. Mama must be preparing delicious food, yummy food. Okay, gas is there and fridge is there. Okay. And what else is there? खाली गैस और फ्रिज है किचन में. No fruits. Okay, utensils are there and vegetables are there. Vessels are there. Okay, mixer is there. Very good, very good. So Diksha, you also made chapati. Very good. Fruits are there. Rice is there. So there are different types of food items present in the kitchen. There are different types of dal, pulses, cereals which are present inside the kitchen. Now today we will see what is there inside the kitchen. Yes, we will see what is there inside the kitchen. Yes, many different types of food and vegetable fruits are kept in our kitchen. But utensils are there, plates are there, dishes are there. Okay, water drum is there, dining table is there. Okay, okay. Nice to hear that you all have all these things present in your kitchen. Now we will look for this chapter, what is there in the kitchen. We will see, we will go inside the kitchen and we will see what is there inside the kitchen. Okay, so the name of the chapter is Inside the Kitchen. Yes, we will learn about what all things are present inside our kitchen. Yes, what are the different types of food items, what are the different types of fruits present in our kitchen, and how this food is being cooked, what are the different ways of cooking food, how the food items are prepared, we will see in this chapter. Okay, so now we will start with the PPT. You have to observe the PPT, and when I start with the PPT you don't have to chat anything. कोई भी chat नहीं करेगा. You have to only see the PPT. Carefully observe the PPT because you know I will stop the PPT in between. I will ask anyone to explain the lesson. So carefully observe the PPT, and with the PPT only we will start with our chapter. Now we all like to go inside the kitchen. Yes, we all like to go inside the kitchen, and we see that there are different types of things. There are variety of food items your mama must be preparing for you, for your family in the kitchen. Okay, your parents must be going to the market. They bring different types of fruits, vegetables, dals, pulses, cereals for you from the market. Okay, now we will see what is there inside our kitchen. Okay, so the subject is EVS and it is lesson number 14, inside the kitchen. Can you see the pictures? Here, can you see the picture, students? I have displayed so many different types of things that are present in the kitchen. There is bread, cereal, cheese, flour, jam, juice, meat, milk, rice, salt. soup, sugar, tea, water, chocolate, butter, etc. Yes, all these things are mostly present in our kitchen because we use all these things in our day-to-day life. We consume all these healthy food items in our day-to-day life. Okay, so all these things are regularly kept in our fridge and in our kitchen, and we make lot of different things. We prepare lot of dishes by using all these food items. Yes, in the refrigerator you must be seeing that your mama must be keeping different types of fruits are there, different types of vegetables are there. Yes, meat, poultry, fishes, everything has been kept in the fridge. Okay, so when you open your fridge, you must be seeing there are different types of dal pulses, and all these things have been kept in your fridge. In kitchen shelf, when you enter, you must be seeing the pulses are there, salt is there, sugar is there. Okay, all these things are being kept for our daily needs, for making different types of food, for making variety in our food. We use all these pulses, cereals, etc. in our day-to-day life. Now we will see how all these things are being made, how these things are prepared. How these things are prepared. People prepare a variety of food items according to their liking. Now we all know that we all are having different likes and dislikes. Yesterday, as I told you, as we have discussed about our important what all food items we should include, what all the different types of varieties of food items we should have in our diet. Okay, we have learned about that yesterday. So we all are having different tastes. Okay, as I told you, if I like to eat chocolates, it is not compulsory that you also like to eat chocolate. If I like to eat cucumber, it is not compulsory that you also like to eat cucumber. Might be you must like some other different vegetable to eat. So there are different likes and dislikes in everybody's taste. Okay. Now, if I prepare dal and rice every day, I like to eat dal and rice every day. But it is not necessary for you to eat dal and rice necessary. Yes, you can consume different types of variety of food items what your mama must be preparing for you. So our likes and dislikes are very different from each other. Now people they use variety of ingredients for the purpose like rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables and fruits, eggs, meat and fish. Now different people use different varieties of food items. Some like to eat non-veg. So what do they eat? They continuously buy non-veg products. They like to eat meat, fish, poultry. So they will buy all those things. But the people who like to consume vegetarian food, they will buy only vegetables. And the people who are living, who are staying in the different regions, they like to eat whatever the crops are grown in that region. If the rice has been grown in some places of Maharashtra, the people will consume lot of rice products. Yes, they will eat the idlis, the bhakris, yes, the dosas made from rice. And where the wheat is been produced on a large scale, people will start making different varieties of food items. They will start preparing different types of food items made from wheat, like puri is there, roti is there, chapati is there, wheat shira is there. Yes, all these different types of varieties in food are being made by the people who consume different types of food in their daily life. Many of our food items are prepared by heating. Now, some food items are there which is mostly used by heating. Yes, by using the pressure cooker, by using the gas stove or induction. So these are the different methods on which the food is being prepared. Now, in the village side, when you go to your native place, you must have been seeing that people make the stove out of the mud. Yes, आपण म्हणतो ना चुली असतात ते ना. So people they make the stoves or gas by using that mud, and they cook the food on that gas which is made of mud. Yes, But in the people who are living in the cities, they are having induction, they are having the gas cylinder in their houses. There are some places where solar cookers are being used to cook the food items, and it is also energy saving. So there are different food items which are prepared in different ways. To cook rice, we add water to the rice and boil it. Now, if you want to cook rice, yes, your mama must be cooking rice. You must have seen your mama cooking rice. Mama को चावल बनाते वक्त सबने देखा है. How mama makes rice? She first clean the rice. She adds water, she adds salt, and then she keep it on the gas for cooking it. And when the rice starts to boil, what happens? After few minutes, the rice is boiled, the rice is cooked. Puris pakoras are been fried. Yes, have you seen puris कैसे बनाती है mama? Yes, she rolls it out and then she gives a particular shape and then it is fried in the oil. Like that also, the papad is also been fried in the oil. Oil or ghee is used to fry them for the market, and we use them for frying all these things. Modaks and idlis are steamed. Now, have you seen modaks? Yes, during the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, we make modaks. Yes, how that modaks are made? It is made up of rice flour, and your mama she prepares a beautiful, a tasty filling in that modak, and then she keeps in the steamer for steaming it. Like that only, idli is there. When the idli batter is poured in the idli vessel, the mama keeps for steaming it. So the idlis and modaks are being kept for steaming. Chapatis and bhakris are roasted. Yes, chapatis and bhakris are always roasted on tawas. Foodstuffs become tastier and easier to digest when prepared by heating them. Yes, to get the food properly digest, we should properly chew them. And once the food is been properly done, when the food is been properly cooked, it is been properly done by the heating method, it becomes very easy for us to chew. It becomes very easy for us to digest. Not all foodstuffs are prepared by heating. Now it is not compulsory that all vegetables, all foodstuff should be cooked only. Some vegetables can be eaten raw also, like radish is there, carrot is there, cucumber is there. Yes, these vegetables can be eaten raw. They do not need to be cooked. We eat some of them raw, that is uncooked. Now what is uncooked food means? जो कच्चा रहता है vegetable, like carrot is there, yes, like radish is there, we can easily eat them. Like in the salad, we can use it by making salad. Carrots, radish, onions, beetroot is there. Yes, these food items can be eaten raw. वो हम लोग कच्चा ही खा सकते हैं. That is known as the uncooked food. We eat fruits mostly without cooking. Yes, now fruits, we use them like that only. There is no need of cooking the fruits. There is no need of boiling the fruits. We can directly bring from the market, wash them and consume it. We also eat vegetables like cucumbers and tomatoes raw. Yes, as I told you, there are different types of vegetables which we use for making salads and which can be eaten, which can be consumed raw. Raw means kacha. A cucumber salad or a banana shake are made without heating. Now, a cucumber salad, have you eaten cucumber salad? Yes, it can be eaten raw. Even the banana milkshake, it can be you can drink it without heating. There is no need of boiling the banana, then making it cool. No, you can directly put it in the mixer grinder and you can directly make a banana shake out of the banana. So these fruits, these vegetables does not require any heating process. Now we will learn about new terms. Okay, a combustible substance. A substance that can burn is called a combustible substance. Camphor burns, hence it is called a combustible substance. Water does not burn, hence it is a non-combustible substance. Now what do you mean by combustible substance? there are different types of substance. Okay, there are different types of products which can easily burn. जो आसानी से जलता है उसे हम लोग combustible substance बोलते हैं. Have you seen a camphor? Yes, मम्मा जब पूजा करती है तो हम लोग कापूर जलाते हैं ना. यस, कापूर बोलते हैं ना, जैसे व्हाइट कलर का स्मॉल स्मॉल ऐसा बॉल्स जैसे रहता है. दैट इज नोन एज कैम्फर एंड योर मम्मा मस्ट बी डूइंग पूजा, सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट मम्मा बर्न्स कैम्फर. दैट कैम्फर easily gets fire. Yes, it can be easily burned. Those items, those products which easily burn is known as the combustible substances. Like water, can you burn the water? No, we cannot burn the water. So it is a non-combustible substance. Means water को हम लोग जला नहीं सकते, तो वो non-combustible substance है. Fuel, a combustible substance that can be used conveniently for obtaining heat is called a fuel. Yes, what is fuel? Yes, it is a product used for obtaining heat. अगर हमको हीट चाहिए, किसी वेसल को गर्म करना है, किसी प्रोडक्ट को गर्म करना है, तो इन द सिलेंडर देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ gases there. Yes, there is a gas present in the cylinder. There are different types of fuels available in the market, like kerosene is there. Yes, it is also a type of combustible substance which is used for providing light. Okay, it is used for providing the fire. So when you bring that combustible fuel, when you bring that kerosene in the house, and when you lit with fire, what happen? It will catch fire. So that is known as the combustible substance. Kerosene, coal are all the examples of fuel. Yes, coal means क्या? हम लोग कोल पता है सबको? What is coal? Yes, black color का एक substance रहता है. कोळसा बोलते ना अपन जला. Yes, that is coal. Have you seen how it is burning? If you put kerosene on that, or if you keep it on the gas, it will catch fire. So it is a type of fuel and which is used for in the cooking process also. However, all combustible substances are not used as fuel. Only those which are burned easily and give plenty of heat on burning are called fuels. Like coal and kerosene, there are so many substances which are not used as combustible fuels. But this coal and this kerosene are used on high proportion for obtaining the heat. अगर हमें ज़्यादा heat चाहिए खाना गर्म करने के लिए, अगर हमें ज़्यादा heat चाहिए, so that for that purpose only we use kerosene and this coal. Otherwise we don't use these products. There are easily availability of gas is there, cylinders is there. All these products are easily available with us. So on a very few scale we use these products, which is the coal and the kerosene. Nowadays many people prefer to use cooking gas as a fuel. Yes, in the kitchen when you go, you must be seeing that there is a cylinder, there is a gas in your kitchen surface. So many people use all these things for cooking the food items. It is easy to use, it lights quickly, it does not give much smoke, and cooking on the gas also saves time. Like in the olden days, students, what happened? People used to make the gas out of the mud, as I told you, and it made lot of energy. The energy was consumed in lot of amount, and lot of fuel was required for that. But nowadays the cylinders are available, the gas, the stoves are available. It does not take much of your energy, okay, and it gets lit in very quickly, and it does not also give out that much smoke. So the time is also saved. Some people use firewood for cooking, but in the places where there is no stove, where there is no availability of the stove, people burn the wood. Yes, they burn the wood and then they start cooking on that fire. Burning wood is a troublesome task. Yes, burning wood is very troublesome task. Why? Because if the wood is not good, if it is wet, it won't catch the fire very easily. It also makes lot of smoke. Have you seen when you have burnt, if you see that when the wood is burnt, it gives out lot of smoke. Yes, lot of smoke starts coming out when you burn the wood. Besides, trees have to be cut down for wood. From where do we get wood? हम लोग को wood कहाँ से मिलता है? From the trees, and because of that it is also affecting the life of the trees. The trees have been cut down. Yes, the forests have been getting destructed because of obtaining the wood on large scale. That is harmful for the environment. And if we destroy the forest, if we cut down the trees, it is affecting our environment. Our surrounding does not look nice. Yes, and all these things affect our surrounding, it affects our environment. Some people use a coal burning stove, shegri. Yes, have you seen for making biryanis? Yes, in the the village people, they mostly use the shegris for making different food items. Why? Because there is no availability of the stove, cylinder, and the gas in their house. So these people use this coal burning stove to prepare their food. Coal also gives out smoke. Yes, even coal also gives out smoke. If you burn that coal, what happens? Lot of smokes come out from that coal. Those who use fuels like wood or coal that gives out smoke must have windows in their kitchen. Now, if you are using this coal as a product for heating or cooking food, what you must do, you should keep your windows open. Why? Because it gives off a lot of smoke, and which is also very harmful for us. It affects our respiratory tract. Yes, it also affects our breathing system. So, when that smokes come out, you should see that the windows of the kitchen are kept open. That is why we get lot of light and also prevent smoke from collecting in the house. Because of that, when you keep the windows open, what will happen? To give you the light, it will give you the sunlight, okay, and it will also throw the smoke out from the kitchen, okay, the smoke which is coming out by burning the coal, it will throw out all the smoke outside the kitchen, and you won't be getting any type of breathing problems also. Okay, it won't affect our respiratory tract. Some people use kerosene stoves for cooking. Yes, have you seen like this stove? Yes, घासलेट के छोटे छोटे stoves रहते हैं. Some people still use this for cooking the food. Nowadays we also get hot plates for cooking on electricity. They are very convenient to use. Yes, hot plates mean induction. देखा आपने induction gas? Everybody has seen. Induction stoves are there which runs on the electricity. Yes, even these are very convenient. Okay, you can use them for cooking different food items if you are in the hurry, okay, and you want to cook the food. So in emergency, what you can do, you can just plug the wire, and you can start cooking on that induction gas. Some people use the heat from sun for cooking. Now solar cookers are there. Yes, solar cookers you have seen in the picture. You can see that there are solar cookers. Still the solar cookers are being used in some places, so that the energy is also saved, and also the gas is being saved. The time is also saved. So some people use these solar cookers for cooking their food items. Now we will see what we have learned. Okay, we will see what we have learned. We have seen that we cook food by heating. It makes the food easier and tastier to digest. Boiling, steaming, frying, and roasting are some of the different ways of providing heat. Salads and milkshakes are examples of food items that are prepared without heating. There are various kinds of stoves which makes it convenient to burn fuel to obtain heat for cooking. Electricity and heat from the sun can also be used to obtain heat for cooking. Okay, so these all things we have learned today. Okay, we have learned about all these things, and that was the end of the chapter. That was the end of the chapter. So everybody understood about the chapter. Put a quick Y, everyone. Quickly put a Y. Okay, so there is a video regarding this chapter. Okay, there is a video regarding this chapter. before we start a video, some students are there who are having doubt. First, let us clear the doubt of the students, and then we will proceed toward our video. Okay.
Hello, welcome to my channel. For more videos, like, share.
Hello, Vaishali teacher. Vaishali teacher. Hello. Students, the voice is audible to everyone. Yes, the voice is audible to everyone. Okay, okay.
And subscribe. Today we learn PS inside the kitchen. Children, have you seen the kitchen in your home? Yes, you all have seen where your mother cooks delicious food for you. That place is called kitchen. How do we prepare food items? There are different kinds of food items in our diet. To be healthy, we must eat different kinds of food. Milk makes our bones and teeth strong. We can make ghee, butter, and curd from the milk. We use variety of ingredients like rice, meat, pulses, vegetables, and fruits, eggs, meat, and fish for preparing different kinds of food items. We cook some food by boiling it, like rice or dal. We cook some food by baking it, like cookies, cake. We cook some food by roasting it, like chapati, papad. We cook some food by steaming, like idli, pulao. We cook some food by frying it, like papad, puri. There are two ways of frying food. In deep fry, we use lots of oil. It is completely inside the oil. In shallow fry, need lesser oil. We sprinkle some oil around the food as we cook it. One is bhakris are roasted. Do we eat some food raw? Yes, we eat some food raw, like fruits and vegetables. For example, cucumber, carrot, tomato, and onion in salad. We can also eat carrot and cabbage raw sometimes. We usually do not cook fruits and nuts either. Why do we cook food? We cook food to make it softer and to make it taste better. From fruits and vegetables, we get protein. Sometimes we eat papad by roasting or frying, but both the types of papad have different type of taste. We eat food to get energy to our body. Our body has to break food down to give us energy. It is easier for our body to do this if the food is cooked. To cook food is also easier to digest. We get food from plants and animals. Now we'll see methods of cooking food. We use different kinds of fuels to cook our foods. combustible substance. A substance that can be burned is called combustible substance. For example, camphor burns, so hence it is a combustible substance. Water does not burn, so it's not a combustible substance.
Okay, students. So everybody understood the topic? Yes, it was a very interesting topic. Yes? No, Putha, why? Why you didn't understood? Okay, Swaroop, you didn't understood the topic. I will unmute you, okay?